Hi everybody, this is Mara from our Pillow Studio and our Fabric Studio, and I'm going to show you today how to make a no-sew pillow cover. So while we do make fabulous pillow covers here at the studio that have zippers and serged edges and all that good stuff, we also want to show you a really quick and easy and affordable way to change up your decor, and you can do it yourself. You don't even need a sewing machine. So we have a little bit over a yard here of fabric. This is just our Adele Navy fabric, got it left over. And I want to make a pillow cover for about a 16 by 16 inch pillow. So how I kind of measured that out is I took my 16 by 16 inch pillow and I kind of from corner to corner went 1, 2, 3, and that should be enough. So it's all eyeballed, you don't need to measure it. I would say that this is about a little bit over a yard, maybe a 40, 43 inch piece by 54 inches wide. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off my selvage so that I don't have that on there. So just a little quick cut, and you don't necessarily have to cut your selvage off. You can always just iron it, and that's fine too. So we'll just cut that off really quickly. Throw that here in the trash, and then you want to take your fabric and just flip it over. So you have your fashion side, as we say, or your presenting side down. And then you're going to grab your pillow, place it kind of in the middle, just like that. And you take one corner and you fold it over and then tuck it in. And then you take your other corner and you fold it over, and then you just turn under the edge so that you have something that looks like this on the back side. And you can kind of tuck, make it a little tighter, make it a little tighter. And then I'm going to take my iron and just press in the edge a little bit, like so. Press in the edge, press in the edge, on both sides. Press in the edge, press in the edge, and if you have a little bit of extra fabric here on the edges, on the ends, those can get cut off once you make your final tie. And then you just take these and take them across the pillow, and you have these little tails. You're just going to tie them. So one over, and then over again. This is going to be nice and tight. And then you just tuck in your edges. Tuck, tuck, tuck. You have this kind of cool pillow. It's just a little bit of it looks actually very designer, even though all you did was tie a knot and fold some fabric. You can also fold it this way, so therefore you just have a nice clean edge. So, there's your no-sew pillow cover. Enjoy!